Okay, so first step is obviously we need to log into AWS. So I'm going to go through and show you how to log into AWS in case you forgot. Once you click on the starter account, it's important that you switch to your class, and at which time you can log into AWS console. Once you log into AWS console, you'll be able to go to EC2. If you've been there before, it'll be in your recents. Otherwise, go to Services, EC2. And we're going to go through the configuration, installation. Since this is the first AWS instance, we can use all the defaults. We'll increase the size. We'll go ahead and give it a more unique security group. We're going to call it Linux. Same for the description. And right now, SSH is the only port open. Once completed, we'll be prompted. We're going to need to enter a new key. It's important that we don't forget to download the PEM file. Give it a unique name, and then launch the instance. While the instance is launching, it's probably best to go ahead and convert the PEM file to a PPK. So we're going to go ahead and do that as well. I went ahead and pasted that PEM into my location so I don't lose it. It's important you don't lose this file. You will need it for the Windows install as well at a later date. At this point, there's a couple files we want to download. We're going to want to download a portable version of PuTTY so that we can actually remote into the Linux computer, as well as a portable version of PuTTyGen so that we can convert the PEM file to a PPK file. Once you have that download, you can go ahead and execute PuTTyGen. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and move them to a location where I can access them easily. Choose all files. You'll notice the PEM is there. And then save the private key using the same name. .ppk. Okay, once that's complete, you can execute PuTTY. Remember, you'll have to go back to the instance, pull up the public IP, that newly created one. There's the IPv4 public IP. You can copy that to the clipboard, paste that into PuTTY, and change the SSH authentication. Browse to your PPK file. And it's also recommended that you go ahead and give this profile a name, so that way you don't have to type this in every time. And you can save that. And you can open it. First time, you're going to accept this key. Since this is AMI Linux, it's going to be EC2-user for the username. And once in, you have completed your Linux install, and you can remote into it.